Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching you something small as a beginner. Remember, this channel is basically for beginner drummers, and I'll be teaching you something on the hi-hats, something very simple, and trust me, you'll find it very simple to learn very fast. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and also share this video. If you have any question, you can drop it at the comment section so that we can grow together. And this is what I want to teach you. I'll be teaching you three different hi-hat patterns that you can learn, that you can always apply on your simple beats, and you can just develop something new from there. The first one is this is a simple one, and then you can always work on it. It's very simple. Just your 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So you on this pattern you can just play your simple funk. So that's for that one. And then the second one is you can also use this on a simple funk also. That's another. And then the third one is don't get it twisted. The second and the third one are so different. The second one is, let me play the second one again. While the third one is, and then most of the time this third one, if you're an African drummer, a Nigerian, you can always use it for your high live beat. While the second one, you can always use it, that second one you can use it for funk, you can use it for your reggae. Now the second one is just 1 2 3 1 2 3, just like your right hand triplet. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So that is what I want to teach you today. Make sure you enjoy, just enjoy as you practice over and over and over. And then don't forget, as a beginner, when you're starting something new, start very slow. These are the things I just taught you. Second one and the third one. So make sure you enjoy it, practice often and often, and then we'll see you at the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this video, like this video, and also share. If you have any questions, drop it at the comment section. I'll see you at the next video. Thank you very much.